So we're on a mission to find a sandbank on the island. We found it, but it's high tide and we can't get to it. I just really want to get there and fly a Rambo. So yeah, we're on a mission.
It looks like we found the sandbank.
Yes! It's taken us maybe like an hour's hike. It's a 3-kilometer island, but even then it takes a while to walk on the sand and
to take photos.
And to take photos and to fly the drone. Oh, look how beautiful it is here. Yes! Second last day in Maldives, pretty sad, but looking forward to being in Sri Lanka, capturing some nice footage in Sri Lanka, checking out the elephants, flying the drone, the greenery, the tea, everything. Can't wait. Yeah.
I hope I got that on camera. Number one thing to do when on an island is to chill by the pool with a good book and a cocktail in hand. So good.
I'm a fine artist. Okay? I don't make mistakes.
The next Picasso in the making.
Haha.
Looking good so far.
And this is what we're trying to go. Getting there.
Slowly getting there. Just show us your finished piece.
Yeah, it's nice.
You can
It's like half of my signature.
half of your signature.
Move the other hand. Yeah. Good job, babe.
Today cover. So today is the last day in Maldives, you know, not feeling the best. A bit sad really, but well, I'm gonna go back to Melbourne, hang out with the Bogan mates, have some BB. See Aussie and me coming out. I'm ready to go to Australia. Oh yeah, Sri Lanka. 3 more days in Sri Lanka. Oh, it's me again. It's me again. It's okay.